Want to earn rewards while holding Cosmos Atom? Today I'll show you step by step how to stake Atom on Keplr Wallet. First, download and install the Keplr Wallet extension or mobile app. Then set up your account securely. Second, transfer your Atom tokens from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase directly into your Keplr Wallet. Third, open the Keplr Wallet, head to the Cosmos Hub section, and click on Atom and then click on Start Staking. Here, click on Stake to view available validators. Fourth, pick a reliable validator with good uptime and low commission fee. Then hit Stake. Fifth, enter the amount of Atom you want to stake, approve the transaction, and wait a few seconds for confirmation. And that's it. Your Atom is now stacked on Keplr, earning passive rewards. Like and subscribe for more quick crypto tutorials.